We had some technical difficulties.
Hey. Get Cheezio. Oh, it's next to me. Ow, it's like a block. Peel the block. Peel. I'm peeling the block. I can't make go too fast. Provocative. Make my own decision. Provocative. I don't know what shoes to put on here. I'll be like, provocative. And the conventional oven.
Okay. Hello, YouTube viewer. We are going to show you a tour of our house. And Christopher Walken.
Okay. Dining room. Kitchen.
There's decorations of Down House Sweet 16, which was May 14th. And Christmas decorations too, with snowflakes. Especially this snowflake, which is fashioned by me. I'll have to give you hell. This is the living room. And that is Will Smith.
That's our fireplace.
That floats.
In my side.
Here's everyone's stocking.
Lisa. And Pirate. What is this?
And I have no idea what this is.
Christopher Walken. Christopher.
Merry Christmas. I have to be quiet now because our parents are sleeping upstairs. Spread my wings out and fly away. We're going to show you downstairs too.
I don't know where the light switches are in this house.
You've lived here for how long?
A year and a half.
This is the bathroom, which is kind of messy. That's me.
Dan's room.
This is Dan's room. He isn't messy.
Look at all the boxes.
But it's a living room. And there's a freezer in there.
Oh my god, my room. It's so messy.
This is Down House room.
The wall.
They know what the wall looks like. They've seen our other videos. No, they haven't. No one's seen our other videos.
Now where?
The ground. I'm looking at your skirt.
Look, the bathroom.
Hi.
Your Christmas present is hidden in this room.
I want to find it. It's in the toaster.
No, it's not. Get on the toaster. Laundry room.
See? It says laundry room. And there's kitty litter.
Scratch.
No one's going to want to watch this video. If they do, I feel sorry for them.
Oh, it's cold in here.
There's chairs on the ceiling.
We'll go back to the
and
kitchen.
a towel box. Yes, it's freezing in here. Console.
What happened?
That's upside down.
I see.
Ooh, look.
What?
Our grilled cheese. Wow, I feel sorry for anyone who actually wants to watch this video.
Me too. It makes me sick.
It's so much moving.
With empty cheese container in the fridge.
Leave, I can oh. The sky.
I got like 4 plates out.
Spread my wings up and fly away. That's a wall. That's Will Smith.
Yo.
Oh hey, there's outside and our reflections. You can't see outside because it is 5:30 in the morning. That's right, it's 5:39 in the morning. Oh, what's that?
They're fish. Dead fish.
They're
not fish, they're peppers. I thought they were fish till I was like 14.
Nice.
I think you're silver. I can paint you silver.
I don't want to be painted silver. I can fly. Oh. And see, instead of just regularly setting the camera on the counter, we constructed this little stand out of whatever those things are.
Fuses.
Fuses.
I don't know why there's fuses on the counter.
Your dad broke his truck.
Yeah. He's not very smart. Just got it a week ago and he broke it.
They're still on the cross one on the back. Whack.
What is this?
I don't know, but I'm walking and talking to the camera. Hi.
That's not going to be a nice video.
No, this is not going to be a nice video at all.
Why is my chocolate? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Is it really done?
No.
What are we listening to?
There we go.
Why?
It was my party's favorite. Tonight.
We're about to run out of video. Probably not. Whee! Whee! How about...
Oh,
Will you
yeah.
sit?
Pinball wizard.
You're a pinball wizard.
Yeah. What are you doing? Rainbow? Why? Oh. Kids only explanation point. We'll write another title.
This is a cool video. No one's gonna want to watch this.
Hymn to the fallen. Solid gold oldie.
Are you a solid gold oldie?
I'm a solid gold oldie. Man.
No, we're transvestites, according to Dan. Huh. It's going in 8 minutes and 12 seconds.
It's gonna end soon.
It is going to end soon. So, good riddance right now.
Oh crap, the food's done.